Are your knees stiff every morning, making the first steps uncomfortable? Do you sometimes use furniture or walls to stabilize yourself? Then you're not alone. Many persons over 50 have knee stiffness and balance issues. Your body is telling you to change, not that your finest days are over. A few minutes of easy, low-impact movement each day can reduce stiffness, build strength, and restore balance and confidence. Why do knees stiffen and balance weaken with age? When you rise up after sitting, do your knees feel tight or rusty? Due to natural wear and tear, joint cartilage and fluid decrease, the muscles around the knees, especially the thighs and calves, weaken as we age and move less. That stresses joints directly. Balance depends on core, hip, and leg coordination, which gets difficult to maintain when misused. The greatest approach to counter these changes is to move smarter, not slower. Joints benefit from movement. Gentle, consistent exercise increases joint fluid, improves knee-supporting muscles, and retrains your brain to balance. Movement should be frequent yet gentle, strengthening without straining. Your body must be prepared before exercising. When walking, do your knees snap or crack? It's your body's signal to warm up. Even a few minutes of gentle activity can boost blood flow and relax muscles. Simple activities like softly elevating your knees when standing, carefully twisting your ankles, and lightly swinging your legs can help. A warm-up signals your joints to move, making your routine easier and more pleasant. What if you could move your body for 10 minutes a day to reduce stiffness and enhance balance? The best part is that you only need a chair and a few feet of room. First, sit tall and extend one leg at a time, contracting your thighs as you straighten your knee. This easy exercise strengthens knee-supporting muscles. When ready to stand, walk straight heel to toe. Imagine cautiously stepping on a tightrope. Retrains your body for balance and coordination. With a chair for balance, gradually lower yourself into tiny squats if your knees allow. Slow, purposeful movement develops thighs and glutes, which support the knees. Rising to your toes and slowly dropping strengthens your lower legs, making you more stable. Standing on one leg for a few seconds, even with modest support, improves balance and teaches self-stabilization. These tiny regular movements build strength and confidence over time. Cooling down after exercise is crucial. Are your knees sore after exercise? Tight muscles that weren't relaxed cause that pain. Slow breathing and gentle stretching aid recovery. For muscle relaxation, reach forward to stretch the back of your legs. Press your heels softly into the ground, or stand tall and breathe deeply. Joint stiffness after exercise can be avoided by cooling down. What if your knees felt younger, stronger, and more flexible as you aged? You can do it with gentle daily movement and good behaviors. Staying hydrated lubricates joints. Leafy greens, berries, and omega-3 rich meals reduce inflammation and protect joints. Supportive shoes that align your knees make every step simpler, and walking, stretching, or doing your daily low-impact routine keeps your body strong and mobile. Consistency, not intensity, is key. Do painful knees and poor balance prevent you from gardening, hiking, or playing with your grandchildren? Your body is more versatile than you realize. You can regain strength, stability, and ease with time in the appropriate movement program. After a few weeks of daily practice, your knees will feel looser, your steps lighter, and your motions more assured. After 50, exercise is about moving smarter, not harder. Your body wants to move, bend, and balance. It simply needs help. Start small, be consistent, and treat your joints gently. Soon you'll realize it's never too late to feel strong, flexible, and stable again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.